If you're signed in into your Google account inside of Google Chrome, then whatever web pages that you visit is not just saved in your history of Chrome browser, but of your Google account as well. So to access it, you can go on to the Google account right here, which you can access by clicking on your profile, or you can access your Google account by going into google.com. If you don't see the home page already, click on this and then go to manage your Google account, just like this. And then to access your history details, you can go to manage your data and personalization option right here. And then once you do that, you can see that you have access to web and app activity in the activity control section, which is under data and personalization on the left side. So if I were to click on this, what happens is that it takes me to the space on activity control. And here you can see that you have manage activity right here. So once you go to manage activity, you can see that on the bottom, you have access to the histories. For example, over here, there's Chrome and search, which I did right here. So it says 7:51 p.m. I did a Google search right here. There's like searches that I made. I visited Google Chrome for Wikipedia the other day, and I visited, let's say, for example, free PDFs, and I went on to Rufus, Handbrake, and so forth, as you can see right here. So I can view the history from here as well. And if I were to click on this, you can view the activity right here. And if I were to click on it again, then I can access the web page. So I can access the history no matter which computer I browse it from. I can go on to my Google account and it'll be synced up right there. And that is how you can access your account history inside of Google account and then go to those web pages from it. So if you guys learned something as always, and as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.